If you're into RC hobbies, drones, or other devices powered by lithium polymer, LiPo, batteries, having a reliable and efficient charger is essential. A good Lipo charger ensures safe and fast charging, maximizing your battery's performance and extending its lifespan. In this video, we'll be exploring a selection of the top 4 Lipo chargers available on the market. We'll discuss their charging capabilities, user-friendly features, safety functions, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision when choosing the perfect charger for your Lipo batteries. To learn more about the featured Lipo chargers and where to purchase them, be sure to check the links in the description box. Now let's dive in. HAISITO Lipo Charger. The HAISITO Lipo Charger is a versatile and feature-rich battery balance charger designed to meet all your charging needs. Its universal voltage compatibility ensures it works with various battery types, including Li-ion and Lipo, making it suitable for a wide range of battery packs. This charger stands out with its multiple functions, offering Li-ion and Lipo balance charging, fast charging, data storage, battery meter, NIM cyclic charging, and discharging, among others. The terminal voltage control feature allows expert users to set the charge/discharge end voltage of the battery, providing more customization options. Safety is a top priority with this charger, featuring smart protections like low input voltage limit, automatic charge current limit, delta peak sensitivity, capacity limit, temperature threshold, and more. The charger's data storage and loading capacity can save up to 20 memory data, and firmware updates ensure you have the latest features and improvements. The package includes an AC power cord, DC cable, balance board, and an explosion-proof bag. Additionally, the Octopus multi-charging harness comes with various connectors, including TMIA, TMIA Mini, JST T-Plug, EC3, TRX, and DINS connectors, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of charging connectors. SUPULSE Lipo Charger. The SUPULSE Lipo Charger is a reliable and efficient charger designed for two S3S Lipo batteries. The charger's AC 110-240V input and maximum charge current of 3 into 2000 mAh enable quick charging, saving up to 60% of your time. It features a separate corresponding balance port for each battery pack, ensuring that each cell is charged independently and fully, which ultimately extends the battery life. Convenience and usability are emphasized in the design of this SUPULSE Lipo charger, as it is compact, lightweight, and easy to use. The double-color LED display indicates the charging process, turning red during charging and changing to green when the battery is fully charged. It's important to note that this charger is specifically designed for 2.3 Lipo batteries, so users should carefully follow the provided instruction manual to ensure proper and safe charging. Overall, the SUPULSE Lipo charger is a handy tool for drone pilots, RC enthusiasts, and anyone needing to charge their 2.3 Lipo batteries efficiently and with confidence. TENERGY TN267 Lipo Charger. The TENERGY TN267 Lipo Charger is a versatile and reliable charger designed to balance charge 4S Li-ion/Lipo/LiFePO4 battery packs, making it a perfect choice for RC hobbyists and drone enthusiasts. With a charging current of 0.9+/0.1A, it ensures efficient and safe charging of your batteries. The LED indicator keeps you informed about the battery status, and the voltage compatibility of 100V240V allows for use worldwide with the included external AC adapter. One of the standout features is the wide voltage compatibility, offering a convenient switch to choose between Lipo and Li-Fe, enabling recharge of 1 to 4 cells on Lipo/Li-ion 3.7V 14.8V or LiFePO4 3.2V 12.8V batteries. Additionally, the package includes a Lipo bag for safely storing and transporting your batteries during charging or when not in use. With this Lipo charger, you can have peace of mind as it comes with a 12-month warranty, ensuring reliable performance and support. Embrace hassle-free charging and extend the life of your Li-ion, Lipo, and LiFePO4 batteries with this efficient and user-friendly charger. SKYRC Lipo Charger. Whether you are a hobbyist or a professional, the SKYRC B6 ACV2 provides the performance and features needed for precise battery management and reliable charging, making it a valuable addition to any setup. Its enhanced accuracy and stability, along with new features, make it an ideal choice for charging and discharging various battery types. The charger allows users to set the terminal voltage as needed and connect it to a PC for control and firmware upgrades, adding to its versatility. It also serves as a lithium battery meter and battery internal resistance meter, offering comprehensive battery management. The charger's automatic charging current limit, capacity limit, temperature threshold, and processing time limit ensure safe and efficient charging, surpassing its predecessor in terms of safety. It is compatible with all current battery types, including lithium polymer, Lipo, lithium high voltage, lithium iron phosphate, Life, and lithium-ion batteries with a maximum charge current of 6A and a maximum charge power of 50 W. Thank you for joining us on this electrifying journey to explore the best Lipo chargers. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the top options available for charging your Lipo batteries. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out to us. We value your feedback and are here to help.